back at it again with another travel vlog, and right now we're gonna go to where? See the dolphin and the tiger in Subic. Kakagising lang ng ating aling maliit, and ngayon we're on a stopover for our breakfast. What are you gonna eat?
Pancake.
Pancake?
Pancake? Where? McDo? Love mo na ako?
No.
Love me, love me.
Let's go na. Sabi mo, let's go guys!
Guys.
Hindi ba siya mapalitan pa?
Dito na kami sa McDo. We're gonna eat breakfast. Hi girl! What did you order?
Pancake.
Here's our order. Pancake for Ikay. And who's gonna eat na? Yummy! Eat na tayo!
Ang ganda ng face mo kayo.
Bakit ka bakit ka nagsising ng Mr. Golden Sun? Kasi what? What's happening? It's raining. Kaya tinatawag mo si Mr. Sun. Yeah? Okay. Yeah, we're here na. Yung mga artistahin ko, oh. Suplada, oh. Akin na yung shades mo. Don't wanna wear?
Sige, mag-follow nila lang po sila. Alam ko na si Ate Mar. Hindi ba?
Let's go! Why? Are you excited? Bird feeding po. Birds feeding. Bird feeding na. Kakain. Para makita sa vlog.
Hello po. Yan. Okay, start po tayo sa picture po.
Feel the, the skin.
Oh, you're so brave.
Yeah! What's that?
You're not scared?
Snake
Hold mo
na.
pa.
Hold mo pa.
Lagay po, sama po.
Like mommy.
Sige lang po.
There you go.
Hold mo siya, hold mo.
You don't like?
That's a snake.
Ching, there's an owl, oh.
Yan, tapos tingin lang po dito naman.
This is an owl. Are you touch the owl?
Hold mo, Ching. Hold me owl.
You hold the feather. No, it's okay. Mom's here. Let's hold together. Let's hold together. Okay? Mommy na lang mo. Okay? It's, it's cute. Oh, you hold. Ikaw lang. Hi, owl.
Say hi na lang, say hi.
Di ba ang owl gising sa gabi, no? Ayaw.
Wait lang, sir. Dito.
Mama gugulat.
Hindi po. Maxi! Akala ko na rin dito. Oh. Para
Okay.
you can make a poster like a thumbs up.
At the camera po, smile. Tapos pwede mo siyang i-point, sir. Ganun.
You can point, sir, but not too close po. Smile.
Okay. Alright, got it po. Next.
She doesn't like.
You want?
You don't like po.
Hold mo, Ching. Come here, get ready.
Your turn, baby girl.
Hey, ma'am, try niyo po.
Si mami naman sila. Carry nyo na lang.
Carry niyo naman.
Ikutan na lang po.
Kami kay mami. Dito ka lang sa akin.
Pero don't touch Ching.
Baby, look here. Oh. Look at the camera.
Try the camera, baby.
Ching.
Smile.
Look here.
Take sa camera, Ching.
Smile.
You can make a post like this one?
Peace sign.
Peace.
Why? You're looking at it. That's a parrot.
Sir, sama kayo, sir. Para family. Hi, baby. Look at the camera. Look here.
Smile. Look at here.
Smile.
Smile.
Okay po. Lastly po is lovebirds. Ito po, watch your step lang po, tapos do not touch the lovebirds. Okay po.
Go, let's feed them. We're gonna feed them, my baby.
Madulas ha.
Dalawa ko dapat. Para marami. Dito ko man dapat.
Ching! Dami!
Try mo man.
Try nyo man para may picture po.
Try mo man para po.
Dami, Ching!
Look at the camera na lang po. Smile.
Dami bird!
Alright. Hey ma'am, ayaw yung try ma'am.
Ikaw, try mo. Gusto mo try?
Si mami na lang, si mami yun, si mami. Si mami daw. Dami lang!
Wala, Ching!
Alam mga colors yan. Dami.
Hi baby, look at the camera.
Smile.
Alright.
Okay, dami na. Lumipat na. Lumipat na sa inyo.
Kaya ko ba ganun yun? Tagal na. You like it? Daming birds, no?
Like sa safety.
Kaya din. Hindi mo sila, ganun mo sila.
Oo, namaan yung kamay.
Get ka lang fit, tas ganun mo sa kabang tree. So, gift mo sila.
Ano mo, sprinkle like that in the bud.
Scared? Ikaw scared?
Oh, there's a cute birds though. Bye-bye ka na sa birds.
Thank you po. Yan na, na-posting mo sa dolphin later.
Say hi to the dolphin. You hold it ha, kasi dolphin are friendly. Ganda hi sa mga babies. Yun.
Wala pa. Ano lang, hintay lang 11:30.
Saan yung show dito?
Dito. Picture time muna daw.
Let's ano that mamaya, wipe. Wipes daw nga, ma'am. Kain ka ulit, ice cream. Singin! Ano ba yan?
Ay, video.
Ito na, naka-video na yan. Ayun na.
Huwag na. You don't like na?
Ito, popcorn. Popcorn na nga, popcorn.
Matapos na. We're gonna go to the dolphin show now. Let's go, let's go.
Alright! Hi everyone, welcome to Dolphin Friends. My name is Christopher and I will be your host today as we explore the fascinating world of one of the most amazing creatures of the sea, the dolphins. Well, here at Ocean Adventure, you will see that they come in all shapes and sizes. So, let's introduce our friends to you one by one. Oh, wow. And there you go. Nice. And last but not the least, we have our male bottlenose dolphin, and his name is Enzo. Oh wow, good job, Enzo.
Look at
Other nice. Now, our dolphins, whales, dugongs, and dolphins are not fish, are they? That's right, they're mammals just like you and me, but how can we tell? First, fish move their tail.
Ayun na, dolphin na,
See that? I told you their tails moves up and down and not side to side like a fish. Now, we know that our marine mammals. So ladies and gentlemen, did you hear that?
Yes.
Alright, how about a big round of applause for Enzo and Nala? Good focus, nice, nice. Alright, now let's talk about their fins. Did you see that fin on their back? There you go. Well, that is what we call the dorsal fin, and it's used to stabilize them in the water. And then, those fins on either side of their body. Come on, Enzo and Nala. Show them your fins. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. This is really cute. Now, let's wait for them. There they are. Nice, see that? Oh, nice. Well, those fins are what we call the pectoral fins, and it's used to steer them through the water. Now, why don't we have these dolphins to see or move over long distances? Well, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, they actually jump up in the air. Let's do it one more time, Nala. Just like that. Good job, girl. All right, now this time, what the dolphins do when they want to scratch their itchy skin? Well, as you can see, folks, they actually do the breach. They also breach to catch fish or to communicate with other dolphins. Now this time, what do dolphins do when they want to show off or have fun? Well, they do the most amazing acrobatic aerials. And as you see today, these dolphins are streamlined and built for speed. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I have a question for you. Do you know Michael Phelps? Do you know him? Yes. Well, for those who don't know, Michael Phelps is an Olympic swimmer, and on his best of days, he can reach the speed of 9.6 kilometers per hour. But for dolphins, they can reach the speed of up to 40 kilometers per hour. Ready, guys? Hit it! Look at that! That was really fast. But wait, there's more. Get ready for the most amazing feature of all. Since you know Michael Phelps, I know. Do you know Michael Jackson? Yes, alright, now everybody tell me what they call this step. Very good. If you know what, if Michael Jackson can moonwalk, dolphins, they can walk on water. Show them! Yeah, they can walk on water and they can also do that card. Ooh, good job. Well, folks, I believe that deserves a big round of applause. Very nice. Well, working with these amazing animals is both an honor and a privilege. And making once again, ladies and gentlemen, we do offer dolphin photo encounters, and for those who are interested, please approach Sandro Naval, one of our friendly park guys. And please, do not leave your trash behind. We have trash bins on both sides of our stage. And once again, thank you so much, everyone, and goodbye!
Kapag palit na kami ng damit, we're gonna go to the dolphin na encounter with my baby.
We're gonna go to the dolphins na dolphin encounter. Itutok mo na lang sa amin. Automatic na naman yun.
Slowly po tayo punta doon.
Sir, madulas po dito.
Madulas po.
There's a dolphin.
Hold lang. Slowly lang po.
Ayun na, there's a dolphin baby. Wow! Okay, dito po tayo. Okay, tayo mag-group photo muna.
Sir, excuse me sir. Bawal po pala kami mag-ano nito.
Where's the dolphin na chingy? Bakit is the dolphin? Happy ka happy? Why? My baby! Zombie! Zombie my baby! Uy! 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 Mami naman, my baby mami. This one. Don't sit, Ching, don't sit.
Look at mommy here! Huwag dyan, hindi ko kita dress mo. Dito ka lang. Hawak mo yung shades, maganda. Smile! Dito ka banda! Para makita ko yung dress mo. kami sa Silayon. Gusto daw niya mag-swimming. Kanina, mas na-enjoy niya pa yung nag-beach siya dun, sandali, kaysa dun sa dolphin. Ano? Silayon, huwag mo si Silayon.
Saan nalabas si Silayon? Saan nalabas? There, sa stage. Mamaya mag-watch mo ha. Go. Sabi mo sa video. You're gonna put seed, bird feeds. Pagpapakain ka ng mga bird. Paano gagawin mo? Gagawin mo? Are you gonna be scared? No? Okay. Okay. Gaano kalaki ang love mo kay Mommy? Show mo sa video. Big? Kay Daddy, gaano kalaki kay Daddy?
Kanina nga sabi niya ganun eh.
Malak pa kayo isa oh.
Yeah.
Sabi niya, no. Sabi niya, no. I did not eat the last fish.
Swimming siya, swimming na.
Alright, hi everyone. We are here to meet our new friend. And there she is. Hi ma'am, welcome to the show. So tell us, what's your name? Wally. Alright ma'am, Wally, why don't we start with a friendly fact on Florida? Alright, you ready to run now? Just start there. Alright, so ma'am, Wally, the Florida nice. Okay, origin party, having Florida. But it's going this way. If you're going to make a friendly handshake with words, all you have to do is grab her paper and shake hands. You got it correct? Alright. Now first, get the towers. Corey, would you give Mr. James some facts? See if you qualify as an honorary member of the Sea Lion Patrol. And the basic rule is, whatever Corey does, surveys. You have to do it as well. So if you are returned, Mr. James, Corey.
Sino nang basa? Sino nang basa?
Seska. Masakit mo?
Okay, bye-bye. Sino nang basa? Sino nang basa kay Seska?
Si Lion.
Ano si Lion?
Standby lang tayo dito sa photo natin.
Para ginawa na si Lion. Nag-ano? Nag-splash siya ng water? Sino nang basa? Ikaw? Nabasa ikaw? What are you thinking? Are you hungry na? Are you sleepy? What? Hungry na? Hungry? Okay, let's eat na after nito. Let's eat na.
Hello po!
Hi po.
Ma'am, pwede yung sampa si Bibi nito pero wag ipagbigo dulas. Sampa niyo po dito. So, by the way po, my name is Trainer Val. And this is Dakila. Si Dakila
Dakila.
is a South American sila. Yes, siya kakain po ka siya? How about tampok? Bakit hindi na po yung tampok? Bro!
Do you see the sea lion po? Happy?
Show your tampok. Yun na, may tampok man. How about, do a salute po, salute.
Salute! Salute!
Okay, lastly po, wait, goodbye po kayo.
Bye-bye!
One last fish po, ma'am.
Ching, ikaw Ching!
Do you want to try it?
Throw mo lang, throw mo yung sea lion kay Dakila.
Destroy it higher. Come on. You do it. Ayun po. Okay, thank you so much po.
Thank you po.
Back niyo, sir. Relax, stay. Smile. Okay, tingin sa camera and smile. One more. Okay, got it po. Ayun naman yun.
Kinis si mami ni sea lion? Kinis?
Pamilya ko yung picture naman.
Dalawa. Uy! Uy!
Dito kay Kapag.
Sige sir, kanina naman sir. Sige sa kabila kayo sir.
Wala. Stay.
Lapit kayo, mag-closer po. Tingin sa camera and smile. Hey, smile. One more. Okay. Got it, sir. Thank you so much po.
Thank you po, sir. Yay! Nag-picture tayo. Sino nag-kiss ng sea lion?
Sino nag-kiss?
Sino nag-kiss ng sea lion po?
Si Mami? Oh no!
Kasi yung cashier natin, nag-isip pa kayo?
Tara na.
Hi, Finches! Let's go the other side. There's a lot of different fishes. What are those fishes? We're like in Mermaid Land. Mermaid Land. may lobster, oh. Yung sa Cebu, maganda. Mga sharks. Maganda sana.
Mamaya
Pag
ba?
bumalik sila.
Hold mo yung mga, get mo yung mga fish.
Eating time na kami, dahil na kami sa activities. So ito ang ating ulam, inasal for daddy and sinigang for mommy and chinga. Let's eat! Then we're gonna go na to the safari. So last na ng aming activity ay fish spa. So dapat kasi siya shark and turtle encounter, kaya lang umuulan kasi kanina. So fish spa na lang daw. Mommy baby. They wash
Tara na.
their feet.
Isa pa? Tara na, dito tayo. Pero Shane, ang gawin natin.
Go to daddy.
Uy!
Huwag kang mag-uy daddy, si Chingay.
Ang dami! They're eating my food.
Doon si eating.
They're removing the dirt.
Oh, just put your feet there.
Dalawa kayo ni Mami. It's okay. Oh, do you want? It's like they're kissing your feet though. Oh, they're...
Don't put your feet. Ganito lang yung feet mo. Ganyan.
Yeah, sit ka lang, Ching. Sit ka lang ng ganyan.
Ganyan lang, ha. Wait lang, maghugas ng feet si Mami. Need ko maghugas ng feet din.
Look at the fishes, my baby. Oh. They're cleaning my feet. Kasi sabi nila, ay, dirty ang feet ni Daddy. We have to clean Daddy's feet. Do you see them? Cleaning my feet? Hello, yun na kay Mami. Ikaw na, Ching! Daddy! Mami, Daddy says ka, bilis! Ilubog mo na, Ma'am! Sige na! Sige na! Sige na! Sige na! Ma'am, wag mo yung splash! Mutulo pala ako eh. Ikaw din! Try mo. Sige na, says ka also! Oh, they're eating my feet. Ikaw rin, my baby. Lagay mo na yung feet mo lang. 1 feet lang. 1 foot lang, 1 foot. Sige na, try mo lang. They're not gonna hurt naman. It's ano nga eh. It's
ticklish. It's nakakakiliti.
Tinan mo, bilis. Daddy says ka, Mami. Oh, tinan mo.
Just take a video.
They will just clean your feet. Just 1 foot lang. Just 1 foot. Try mo lang, 1 lang. Tinan mo, Daddy, what Daddy's doing. Ganito lang, oh. Oh. Ilubog mo na, Ma'am.
Ayoko.
Ilubog mo. Sige na. Wala namang mga ano yan, mga yan eh. Wala namang mga teeth yung mga yan eh. You know, they're... Sige na, bili.
Kinitis si Mami. Ikaw din. Sandali lang, ganun lang, oh. Splash mo lang, tapos up mo na again.
Go na, Ma'am.
Gawin naman. Ano ba itong mga fish na to? Ba't ganyan?
Baka sobrang dumi ng paa mo. Sige na.
Pero I know din. Sandali lang.
Daddy will put my feet also.
Tapos after you put it up na agad. Dali.
Try mo lang. 1 lang. Bilis. Don't be scared. Daddy, Mommy's hero.
Okay, Mami lang.
I don't want.
Kay Mami ka lang. Kay Mami ka lang.
They're checking Mommy's feet though.
Dito lang sa likod ng Mami's feet lang. Try mo sa'yo. Mabilis lang, tapos you put it up again.
Para na sa video, bilis. Para...
Huwag mo sila hayaang magpunta ng feet mo. You put them up again. Sandali lang.
Bilis, para daw after.
Mami, oh.
Baka pwede tayo mag-bird feeding after. Tingnan natin. Lagay mo muna sa fish. Lagay mo para malinis na yung feet mo daw. They will just remove the dirt. Ilubog mo na, ma'am. Para matanggal yung mga libag-libag mo, ma'am. Ba't ganun?
Is that a playground?
Talagang hinahabol na talaga, no? Ay, natanggal ba talaga yung mga dumi dyan?
Mukhang mo kinakagat lang nito lang talaga ako.
Hindi. Wala naman silang ipin eh.
Pero magkano to?
150.
Tapos na kami. We're gonna go naman sa Subic Safari. Doon kasi kami mag-check-in. My two precious babies.
Dito ba? Hindi ka managing.
Bye! Oo, doon. Ayun, nandito dad. Hindi na kami. Bye, Ocean Adventure.